Hi, my name is Kendra. I'm from LA and I'm currently a student. I've always been interested in the beauty space regarding mostly skincare and makeup up until this point. As I age, I notice that I'm looking different. Not that it's anything bad, but I just don't feel like me. And I was researching a lot of different treatments or things that I could do to bring back a little more clarity to how I envisioned how I looked and appeared in the world. So all my research had led up to the Pyramid Rejuvenation. So I actually came across Wave when I was doing my research on YouTube. I was going through different Reddit forums, Yelp reviews, Google reviews, and on YouTube as well. And I noticed that Wave did their own podcast in which they informed a lot of the patients or audience regarding different topics like the Pyramid Rejuvenation and NAD and etc. I really liked the vibe that they gave off. Everything was very informative and I felt like they were very trustworthy. As I went onto their website and their Yelp reviews, I also looked at the before and after photos and I thought to myself, I like the results that these people are getting. They seem very, again, natural, nothing over dramatic. And I felt like this would be a good fit for me. And that's when I decided to make an appointment and see if I would be a good fit with the provider as well. I wanted this area to be not as apparent, I would say more lifted with more volume. And I would say that from an overall cheek area to be a little more lifted. I was hoping for a slightly pointier chin, not completely egg-shaped like they really like the look in Asia, but just something not as flat currently. And then just to mitigate some of my eye wrinkles I have up here.
Hi, my name is Annie from Wave Plastic Surgery. I recently had the pleasure of consulting with our lovely patient Kendra. So she mentioned that she prefers her left side. And then we analyzed her face further. We noticed that her left side has more volume compared to her right side, which is more hollow. The main goal of Pyramid Rejuvenation was never to change Kendra's face, but to enhance her features and give her a more balanced look.
Overall, I'm aiming for a more definitive and natural look. So something that's very native to my current bone structure and current facial mass, but nothing over dramatic. Hi everyone, it's been 1 week and I've been very happy with my Pyramid Rejuvenation results. Ever since I got the treatment done, I noticed that when I take photos or videos, I actually prefer my right side a little bit more. Before the treatment, I always preferred my left. But now I think that I'm okay with either side. I don't have to fight with my friends. During my consultation, Annie was very detailed and thorough on what she was going to do. Annie made sure to check in with me, make sure that I was okay, that I wasn't too uncomfortable, and we ended up not having to take any breaks. Overall, I feel that I have a very refreshed image. I've kept my original features, but they're more enhanced now.